If you're experiencing connection errors with your PlayStation 5, follow these steps to optimize your network settings and improve your gaming experience. Step 1. Check your internet connection. Ensure that your internet connection is stable. You can do this by running a speed test on another device. If your speed is significantly lower than what you pay for, consider restarting your modem or contacting your internet service provider. Step 2. Use a wired connection. For the best performance, connect your PS5 directly to your router using an Ethernet cable. This reduces latency and provides a more stable connection compared to Wi-Fi. Step 3. Configure DNS settings. Change your DNS settings to a public DNS like Google 8.8, 8.8, and 8.8, 4.4 or Cloudflare 1.1, 1.1. Go to Settings, Network Setup, Internet Connection, choose your connection type, and select Advanced Settings to input the new DNS. Step 4. Enable Quality of Service (QoS). If your router supports QoS, enable it to prioritize gaming traffic. Access your router settings through a web browser. Find the QoS settings and add your PS5's MAC address to ensure it gets the necessary bandwidth. Step 5. Update system software. Make sure your PS5 is running the latest system software. Go to Settings, System Software Update and Settings to check for updates. Keeping your system updated can resolve many connectivity issues. By following these steps, you should be able to optimize your PlayStation 5's connection and reduce errors. Happy gaming!